Hey operating system enthusiast, welcome back to Sudama English YouTube channel. This is a new video about a new operating system called Cutefish. Basically, Cutefish is a fusion of Ubuntu-based system created by Canonical and Ubuntu's strong community and a beautiful desktop environment in the Linux world. Cutefish Desktop Environment. With a stable kernel of Ubuntu and various support of graphics drivers, Cutefish OS Ubuntu can be your next favorite operating systems. So first of all, we'll talk about Cutefish Desktop Environment. Cutefish Desktop Environment has a modern style design, a global menu, and modern dock. In the desktop, you will find a dock that is translucent just like macOS. And in the dock, you can see already their applications which are daily essential. Now on the top right corner, you can see the time, the switch, basically to shut down, reboot, log out, lock screen, or suspend your applications. On the top of the screen, you can see your user account. If you click on the sound icon, you can see your control center is here. Wi-Fi settings, dark mode or normal mode. You can also enable don't disturb mode, and you can also take a screenshot from there. So now, if you click on the launcher, you can see the launcher application is just like this with an acrylic and transparent background effect. And on the top, you can see a search bar. If you want to search an application or any content, just whatever you want to search, just type here and boom, the application will be in front of you. If you right click on the desktop, you will see many options. New folder creating option, new document creating option, and if there is any application or any folder on the desktop, you can say select all, or you can open terminal here. If you want to change the background, select change background, and you will be on the page. So now, if you want to change backgrounds, you can see the backgrounds on these operating systems. Those are really good. You should definitely try this. Just let me show you. These are the themes this operating system has. I must say, you'll definitely fall in love with this wallpaper and the look and design. You should definitely try once. Now let's come to the software section. Cutefish OS uses software packages from Ubuntu's repository, which is mirrored worldwide. Now in the software section, we can see in the dock, there is a web browser, file manager, terminal, settings, calculator, the package installer itself, the snapshot taking software application, and the video player, and finally the trash. Now if you want to access the internet, you'll definitely need this Firefox web browser. Now if you go to the launcher section, you can find many applications out there. Apart from this, you can download or install any Linux application. Now let's come to file manager, including modern look and eye-pleasing experience. File manager consists of a decent file management system that allows users to manage their files in an elegant manner. You can see if you open the file manager, you'll find desktop, document section, download section, music section, picture section, public document section, templates, and video sections are created for you to make your works easier. If you go to computer, you can see the whole files and folders of computer. If you click on the top right corner, you'll find a section like this. If you click on it, you will see the file arrangement systems. Now finally, let's come to the control center. Cutefish OS has a modern control center that allows users to control system configuration, user accounts, and customization. So if you click on here, you find the control center, and if you really want to change the control center, click on the sound icon and here you'll find the control center. Click on this settings icon and here you'll find the control center, the LAN, Ethernet, Bluetooth, proxy, whatever you want. You can also go from their display settings. In the display settings, you can find the display. Oh my god. So again, let's start from the beginning. Click on sound icon and go to settings to go to the control center, and we just lost on this display icon. So you have seen, you should not click on these icons. If you click on this, then God knows what will happen to you. And here is the scale size. If you click on here, and icons will be just like 125, 50, 175, 20. Now let's come to 100. That's the base. Close everything. Now click on appearance, and here you can see the dark and light mode. Everything is here. If you click on here, the wallpaper will be dimmed when dark theme is activated. And here you can see you can minimize the minimize application, default, and the magic lamp. That's the base. Magic lamp as the base. Now, the accent color. You can choose your accent color, whatever you want. Now you can choose the font size. If you click on background, you'll go to the background. If you click on color, and your desktop will be in a single color, base color. Now if you click on the dark, you can customize the dark. If you click on full, the dark will be in full screen. If you click on here, the dark will be in the left side. Click on center, the dark will be in the center. It's a look like coal. Click on here, the dark will be on the right side. And if you click, if you want to change the size, small, medium, large, huge. Okay. If you go to the user, you can really change the user count. You can also add user, mouse settings, or their mouse pointer, whichever you want, you just use it. Pointer speed is there, right or left if you want to change them. Cutefish OS is an open source project, so anyone can understand how it works and participate in a collaboration. Because Cutefish OS is open source, you can use it free of cost. Now let's come to the security. If you think Cutefish OS is free and it may have vulnerabilities or security issues, you are wrong. Cutefish OS is based on open source Linux kernel, which is more secure than other operating systems. Now, if you really talk about the security, you can see on the launcher system update. That means if there is any update on Linux or Cutefish OS, you will get the update from there. Click on systems, and you can see it's really checking for updates. That's the thing you need in any operating systems. Now, if you want to update any software or check your system updates, click on this software and updates, and you can see there are many options. Software updates, normal updates, authentication, you can change and check from there. So this video was all about Cutefish OS. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.